mean to flop.
The following message is transmitted at the request of local authority. At 1:10 a.m. Eastern Mountain Daylight Time, this individual were reported playing bongos so loud in Lee, New Mexico. This individual has a 2 buns on the black pigtail's hair, along with 2 red flowers are attached to 2 or the buns, and it has brown eyes. This individual was last seen a blue cut shirt with 2 hearts on it, orange striped shorts, and red tied shoes. This individual also has a green emerald necklace with a red tide on it. It is unknown if this individual is confirmed to be hostile or not. At this time, all residents to stay inside their home until further notice. Again, it is unknown if this individual is confirmed to be hostile or not. Stay tuned to local media outlets for the last updates on the situation.